Hi, this is Era, and in today's video, gagawa tayo ng oatmeal cookies. The reason why we're gonna be making this is because it's so easy to make. If naghahanap kayo ng healthy snacks na pwede nyo gawin sa bahay, sobrang dali lang. Even the kids can do it. And also, pwede siyang tumagal sa bahay nyo. Just put it in a jar. You can put it in the fridge. Tatagal siya 1 week, 2 weeks. And yun. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe on my channel, Era's Journey, for more recipes. And also, you can follow my Facebook and Instagram kasi minsan doon ko pinopost yung mga pictures and videos bago pa siya ma-air dito sa YouTube. And if you want to see my life outside of this kitchen. Anyway, let's begin. First, kunin natin yung ating flour, all the dry ingredients. Lagay natin dito sa bowl. By the way, if you want, kita ba? Ayan. If you want this to be extra healthier, you could use almond flour. Next is our baking soda. Then our salt. And then our cinnamon powder. Yan. Basically all of the dry ingredients, except for the sugar. Mix this hanggang sa maging well combined siya. See, sobrang dali lang niya. Even the kids can do this. Once na na-mix na natin, set it aside. Next, gagawin naman natin, i-cream natin yung ating butter. So, this is unsalted butter. Okay. And then, kunin na natin yung ating pang-mix. Pwede nyo itong i-mix ng manual, pero for me, gagamit ako nito. Saksak natin. Once na nalagay na natin yan, gamit na tayo nito. I-cream lang natin to hanggang sa maging light and fluffy siya. Tapos, ilalagay na natin yung sugar. What I'll be using is brown sugar. Again, if you want to find healthy alternatives, you can use muscovado sugar. Mas healthier yon. Also, you can use, papakita ko sa inyo. Sweetener. Yan, equal sweetener. Meron pang mga ibang type of sweetener, ibang brands, pero ito yung nakita ko sa supermarket. You can use this if you are on a keto diet or mas low carb pa. Kaya nasa gilid, yan, aayusin ko lang kasi yung iba nasa gilid. And then gradually, i-add natin yung ating brown sugar habang kinikream natin. Dahil hindi na ako magsasalita kasi ang ingay-ingay nitong mixer ko. Once na cream na natin, add in 1 egg and our vanilla extract. Once na mix na natin to, it's gonna look like this. Yan. Haluin lang natin ganan. Next, we're gonna add in the dry ingredients na. So, ito yung kanina. Add in there. Slowly. Para hindi tumapon. Just mix it all together hanggang sa maging well combined na siya. See? This is so yummy, guys. And napakadali lang niyang gawin. I think that's the good thing about this recipe. Every single recipe I'm doing, sobrang dali lang. Kasi gusto ko, kahit yung mga baguhan, makakasabay sila. Yun. Tsaka yung mga ingredients, hindi ganun kahirap hanapin. So, mix it. Yung ilalim, make sure na wala na yung puti. And then we add in our rolled oats. This is our rolled oats. I'll be using Quaker. Not sponsored, pero this is what I'm gonna be using. Yan. So yung whole grain rolled oats yung gagamitin natin. Just add in there. Yan. Pwede pa kayong mag-add dito ng iba't ibang ingredients. You can add cranberries, dried cranberries. You can add blueberries, strawberries. Pwede din kayo mag-add dito ng dark chocolate. If you're gonna be adding chocolate, make sure it's dark chocolate para mas healthier version. Mix it all together. O, diba? Sobrang dali lang niya. Ganito-ganito lang. Halo-halo lang. And here it is! We are done. Pwede mo siyang i-assemble bukas. Pwede mo siyang ilagay lang sa fridge. Doon. Tapos i-assemble mo bukas. Or pwede mo na rin naman siyang gawin ngayon. Like what we're gonna be doing today. Kuha lang kayo ng parchment paper. Lagay nyo lang siya sa ilalim and then line it up however you like. Kayo na bahala kung gaano kalaki nyo gusto. Pero kung magbebenta kayo, make sure na pantay-pantay sila. Init! Ang init! Ayun yung aking light. If you just wanna see kung ano itsura ng aking setup dito sa bahay. Ayun yung ilaw. Ayun yung, what is that? Stand. And so we wait. And we are back! Here's our cookies! Yes! As you can see, hindi natin siya nilagyan ng oil. Parchment paper lang talaga. It's just that yung oil tumagas na sa ilalim. I mean, yung butter tumagas na nung binabake natin. Anyway, nabake ko siya ng 15 to 17 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. And after nyo nga palang i-bake, pag tinanggal nyo sa oven, medyo malambot pa siya, palalamigin nyo, and then saka pa siya titigas. Mga 10 minutes nyo palamigin bago nyo kainin. And ito, ganito yung itsura niya. Again, pwede nyo siyang lagyan pa ng mga dark chocolate, ng mga cranberries, raspberries, if you like. For us, gusto namin plain lang nito. And tikman na natin! Exactly how I like it. Crunchy, yummy, sobrang sarap. Something that you can do with your kids, pabahay. Pwede nyo rin itong ibenta. Sobrang sarap, sobrang healthy. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Gawin nyo na, guys. And take a picture. Tag me on Facebook and Instagram and repost ko siya. Because I wanna see. So, if you want more healthy treats, just let me know, guys, sa comment section. And then, mag-iisip pa ako ng mga healthy, easy recipes, easy baking recipes na pwede nyong gawin sa bahay nyo. Okay? That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And see you next time. Bye! God bless.